Durud. Hey guys, how are you doing? Today I'm going to continue with my Persian language letter tracing. So, on lesson 3, I covered how to write letters A, B, P, T, S, and also how to write the short forms of those letters B, P, and T, and S. So as you can see, B, the short form is here, P, the short form, and T and S. So the only difference is in the number of dots. So if you have got this, let's say letter with a dot below it, it is B. With three dots, P, with two dots T, and with three dots S. So you need to go back and check if you want to understand how to write them. Now in this lesson, I'm going to continue with the new letters. So the first letter is J. So in this category, again, putting the dots or not the dots is very important. So if you put one dot, so in the middle, as you can see here, so the sound is J. So we call this letter Jim in Persian language, Jim. If it has got three dots, Ch. If it has got, okay, it has got one dot above, Kh, and if it has got no dots, He. So how do you write these, let's say, letters? So let's see how we can do them. Okay. So the first one is J. So let's take a look here. So it must be, below the baseline, the red line here. So you start here, okay, with a small curve. Then you continue like this and then like this. So that is one dot in the middle. So let's do it one more time. Again here, a small curve to the right side. Then you have got kind of semicircle and the dot. Okay, here, it's a little bit below the line. You should put it as, okay, you can see here. So this is called J. That is um, the long J, because here we have got the short J. Okay, so the short J is just like this. So you have to, you might do it like this. So short J, again the same form. You may draw kind of curvy a straight line, okay, to the right side. You continue and then you do this one dot here. So one more time. Okay, let me put it here. So you put like this. So it wasn't that good. So if you want to keep it simple, let's say uh, okay, diagonal, I mean kind of line, okay, or a straight line up, down, and then you can continue on the line, and then you put the dot. So that is J. So this is a small J. This is actually the long J. The rest are the same. You see, the rest of these letters are the same. So I know it might be challenging. The point is you need to practice. As you know, practice always makes perfect. So for this letter Ch, again the same, I don't know, the same guidelines, the same, okay, go back, I mean go to the right, go left, go right, and then you have got a kind of semicircle and one, two, three dots. So this is che. And the same story goes for the small che. So again, I hope I can do it better this time. I keep it simple. So let's say L, okay, one line, two line, and then straight line, one, two, three. That is che sound. Okay, maybe I need to change the color. Okay. And for he, that is the big he. This one is a small he. So we have got again the same one line to the right, to the left, and then a semi circle, and okay, without actually the dot here. So we're talking about he. And for he, okay, you might again one like this. Okay. Oh, sorry. The dot is above actually the symbol. So uh, you need to practice a lot. Maybe one thing that you need to practice is doing this this semicircle. You know, doing this semicircle, or you might start from here. Okay, a small line look like this, and then something like this. So I'm sure you would be able to do it after a lot of practice. Yes. Okay, so one more time, let's review them. This is J with the dot, with one dot. This is Che with three dots. This is He without dots, and this is He with one dot above. So if you want to see examples of, I mean, these letters, maybe you should go back to my first and second videos that I have done a great job. I have found the pictures, the English equivalents, and the Persian words. So you might have a better idea of how they are used. So here we have got J, small j, as you can see, with one dot, Che with three dots, He without dots, and Khe with one dot. So this is the end of lesson 4. So please practice as much as you can. Persian language is really beautiful, I promise you, and hopefully we can do a great job together. So see you next time, and bye bye.